You've seen these Dollar Tree crates, right? Well, I've already given mine a quick paint job. I went to Hobby Lobby and got some little embellishments, put it together, and let's see what we come up with. We're gonna get something creative and easy that you can do for the holidays. Come along with me. On ahead and painted this crate inside and out, the entire thing. I found these wonderful, wonderful little things in Hobby Lobby. Put them together, and it's a Santa Claus face. They have lots of little things like that. And I put it on the front of this crate. So what I'm going to do is I have also gone to, well, let me stuff it first, okay? I'm going to stuff it first. So I have some brown paper. This actually is a recycled bag. Okay, I love recycling. And actually, I'm going to cover it first before I do that. Now, this is not even going to be seen. This is just giving us a little bit of lift inside of this crate, okay? And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to add this book. All right, this is a cookbook. And I want to put it on here like this. Okay, let's get this tape together. And this will not hurt it, okay? I'm just putting a little bit of tape on the back. Actually, not a little bit of tape, a little bit more tape. Okay. I think I just realized what's going on here, too. Hold up. Let's try this a different way. I did this last time and used my glue dots. So let's do that again. First, before we do that, I have some tea, okay? So I'm gonna put this tea right here. Oh, I don't like that, okay. So we're gonna put that tea there. And then we put this here. But first, let's put some glue dots on there. That's what I did last time, and I forgot this time. Okay. So now the glue dots there. We still need the tape. Okay, that doesn't want to stay. Maybe one more glue dot. One more. Right here. And then one right here. Luckily, these glue dots don't hurt anything, right? Right. That's what it needed. Glue dots. Look at that. Okay, look at that. So now I am going to make it stay by putting a piece of tape on this part. Right there on the side to hold it up. Okay. It'll be okay in a minute. We're about to add some weight. We're about to add some weight. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add this cute hand soap. And I want to put it over here. Just like that. Okay. Now see? We're going to give it more structure, okay? We're going to give it more structure. 1 minute. All this weight is going to make it stay. Man, these glue dots. There we go. Before I do that, I think he needs to be over a little bit more. Oh, man. Yep, like that. Okay, and now we can put this on here. Like this. I'm gonna put another glue dot. I know I felt one, didn't I? Or took it off. Okay. I'm gonna put another glue dot. Right there. Okay. And that's how we're looking right so far. Okay. And now we're going to add this cute stir with the gingerbread cookie cutters. Okay. And we're going to put that just like this. Okay, just like that. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Yes, indeed. My base is a little bit, hold on, let's take that apart. Because my base is a little bit too high. That is the problem. Look at that. So let's tear that up a little bit more. See? Recycle paper. All right, let's see. Why did I do that? I've been covered up. It's not going to be seen, though. Remember I said you're not going to see it. Well, you can see it's not going to be seen. So we put that back in. Ah, that's better, too. Okay, I'll turn it around just a second. Just a second. There we go. Just like that. And now we're going to put this back here. Like that. And now we're looking like this. And now the next thing I'm going to do is take this hand cloth and camera. How about that? Okay. So I'm going to clip the ends here. Just like that. And now we're going to put this right here. Push that down in there. There we go. Okay. Okay. That is it, guys. That is the simple gift. You can do this. Cookbook, tea, stir, cookie cutters, a hand towel, and some tea inside of a Dollar Tree crate. I hope you like this. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Bye.